How to withdraw money from Binance to Monzo. So the step are so simple to follow if you want to withdraw money from Binance to Monzo. After you open up now your Binance app like this, now go ahead now and tap on this more button. After you tap on this more button, now scroll all the way to down and go to this withdraw fiat. Withdraw fiat, this one. After you tap on the withdraw fiat like this one, all you have to do now, you can tap on this option now. So you can tap on this one. So after you tap on this one, now go ahead now and choose GBP or USD. So go ahead and choose one of this option, GBP or USD. So after you select the currency, from there, all you have to do now, you can tap on this continue button. If you tap on this continue button, from now it will give you an option where to allow you to input your Monzo account detail. From there, you can specify the amount you want to withdraw. After you complete the verification, from there, the money will be sent into your bank account. That's it, guys, on how to transfer or how to withdraw from Binance to Monzo. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.